Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shahir Rahman. I am from Department of Software Engineering, Daffodil International University. The title of my research is Multi-attention based human image recognition for fine-grained image using deep learning techniques. And I am supervised by Mr. Kaushik Sarkar, Assistant Professor and Associate Head, Department of Software Engineering, Daffodil International University. Let me talk about the outlines of my presentation. At first, I talk about my research background, then I talk about my research motivation, and then I talk my research objective, and then methodology, how to work it, and finally I talk about my outcomes or result of my research. Here is my research background, where nowadays multi-attention based human recognition is a trendy topic and has drawn a lot of attention from scholars all around the world. While most existing methods treat each object part separately, ignoring uh, the relationship between them, variations in the position, scale, or rotation frequently complicate the situation. In this paper, I proposed an unique attention-based convolutional neural network that regulates numerous human image sections across multiple input images. In this research, the convolutional neural network is used in our method where part generation and feature learning can reinforce each other. Here is my research motivation. If I say one word, many research papers have been already published in this image classification based, but this related paper has come out very few, published very few research paper, and this is the reason that's why I chose this topic. The following contributions are made by this text in this context. At first, I am analyze the previous year's research multi-attention based image recognition very deeply, and then predict the multi-attention based identity of interest recognition from surveillance image by using deep learning approach. And then data is misunderstood when it comes to processing it for the best evaluation and prediction, and provide some favorable suggestion regarding to these issues. Hopefully this research will be helpful for all kind of researchers. Uh, Here is my research objectives. The main objectives of this paper are extremely beneficial for different level of attention focus on different aspects of the image and video which complement each other and improve classification accuracy. An N pathway into indiscriminative localization network is designed to improve classification speed by localizing multiple different discriminative regions at the same time. It enables the user to search for similar images or product across multiple e-commerce sites. The user can easily take notes on various social sites. It can be very useful in identifying criminals. Here is my research methodology, and in this section I present my proposed method which can efficient and accurately attend discriminative regions despite being trained only on image level, as shown in the figure where you can see the benefits of multi-attention and multi-view have been preserved and noise has been reduced. The framework of our method is composed by three parts. The first one is training Flickr faces SQ database, FFSQ, and then classification using object level attention. And the third part is joint and part level attention. Training Flickr faces SQ database. In this section, after proper wrapping, the patches chosen by cell by SKU dataset are utilized to train a new CNN from scratch. This is the second CNN is known as the Flickr SKU dataset because it extracts the feature important to categorize within a given domain human. Classification using object level attention. The path section can be originally applied with the object level attention to the period of testing, and I supply the patch that have been selected by the Silva SQ dataset to fit a predicted level in an image with Flickr Faces SQ dataset and calculate the average softness output classification distribution for all patches. And finally, I get the average softness distribution result. The procedure has a confidence threshold for a hypermeter which affect the quality and select and the selected patches in the patches, where you can see in the figure, which you can see in the figure 2. Joint and part level attention. DPD and part CNN study clearly suggests the specific discriminative local feature, e.g. face and body, are crucial for fine-grained image categorization rather than using straw level on portions and crucial point, as in common in many related efforts. I am motivated by the fact that buried layer of Flickr Cisco dataset have revealed clustering patterns. In the similarly matrix X and I do spectral clustering by dividing filters into K groups. In a middle layer, where X ij refers to a cosine-like similarity between the two FFQ SQ dataset mixed layer filters. Here is my research outcome. In this section, I present training and validation accuracy, where the proposed model achieves a training accuracy of more than 0.9% and found the validation accuracy 0.8% in recognition. ResNet 18 achieves a recognition validation accuracy of 0.7%, which is shown in the figure 3. Training and validation loss. The proposed model lost the training accuracy of 12 and found the validation accuracy loss is 10.5 in recognition. The training and validation loss is much higher because it is in the development here. In the future, I will try to reduce the training loss and validation loss, as well as increase the accuracy, which is shown in the figure 4. That's all about for my presentation. Thank you so much for watching me. Allah Hafiz.